Welcome to Module 6.16, Preparing Effective Presentations. In this final session of the series, we'll focus on how to plan, design, and deliver impactful research presentations. Whether you're addressing an academic audience, stakeholders, or the public, strong presentation skills are essential for communicating ideas with clarity and confidence. This module will guide you through planning your content, designing engaging visuals, and delivering your message effectively. Effective presentations begin with clear planning. Start by clarifying your purpose and understanding the needs and expectations of your audience. Identify your key message, the one idea you want people to remember. Structure your presentation logically, using sections that build on each other and guide the audience through your narrative. Select evidence that supports your main points and resonates with your audience, whether data, quotes, or examples. Lastly, plan your timing. Allocate minutes for each section, including space for questions or discussion if appropriate. A well-planned presentation sets the stage for confident and effective delivery. Slide design should reinforce your message, not distract from it. Use a minimalist approach. Avoid clutter and keep slides clean and focused. Establish visual hierarchy to direct the viewer's attention to the most important elements using font size, bolding, or placement. Consistency across slides through fonts, colors, and layout builds visual cohesion. Stick to the 6x6 rule when possible. No more than 6 lines per slide and 6 words per line, to avoid overwhelming your audience. Finally, integrate visuals that are meaningful, charts, images, or icons that enhance understanding and retention. Strong delivery transforms good content into a memorable experience. Consider using a story-driven approach. Narratives help audiences connect emotionally and intellectually with your message. Open with something engaging, a question, a striking fact, or a relevant anecdote. Throughout the presentation, use vocal variety and deliberate pacing to maintain interest and emphasize key points. Non-verbal communication, eye contact, posture, and gestures enhances presence and audience connection. Finally, be prepared to handle questions thoughtfully. Clarify when needed, stay calm under pressure, and admit when you don't have an answer. The goal is not just to present, but to communicate with impact.